What's happening, guys, and welcome back to Finance Ninja. In the age of social media, there are more than enough ways to earn money. You can write content, develop programs, do graphic designings, heck, you can find all sorts of gigs on the internet these days. Let's see how you can create a free affiliate marketing website and earn $500 a day with traffic. Number 6. Website and affiliate products. To truly succeed at something, you need to give it your all and stay focused in that direction. You can never achieve everything, so it's necessary to pick one thing and focus hard on it. For starting your work in affiliate marketing, you need to find a niche you want to work in. There are two things you need to get started on: a website or a blog of your niche, and affiliate products of your choice that you want to promote. So you need to build a website first. There are a lot of ways you can create a website, including WordPress, which is highly recommended. Even if you don't know how to code, you can easily create a website that looks just as professional as the coded ones. A plus point is that WordPress has tools that raise the performance of your website, which gives a better experience for you and whoever visits your website. Now that you have a website, the second step is affiliate products. If you have chosen a niche, then finding products that relate to your content shouldn't be that hard. If you need help in selecting affiliate products, the best way is to join an affiliate network. Affiliate networks are businesses used by marketers who use affiliate networks to select products to promote on their site. Some of the popular affiliate networks are ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, and Amazon Associates. You can use affiliate networks for the data they provide to increase your affiliate marketing profits. Number 5. Affiliate revenue generating content. Now that you have a website and products to promote, it's time to get down to business. Some beginners make the mistake of writing a random article and putting affiliate links in to earn some money. However, it's unclear whether the strategy works or not. But if you wish to boost your affiliate revenue, you need to create content and make sure it reaches your target audience. Most of your audience are people who are unsure of whether they want to buy the product you're promoting or not. Or sometimes, your audience might not even know what they want to buy for themselves. Your work in affiliate marketing is to help your audience and give them the right products with high quality content, and then lead them towards the product's website so they can make a purchase. Your article should have investigational intent keywords in it. Investigational intent keywords are those kinds of keywords that your audience uses on Google to gain some info about the product before they buy it. These keywords help in reaching more than your target audience. Number 4. Promote your products. The kind of content you'll be writing is investigational. You need to write topics that your target audience is searching up on Google for the problems they might be facing. After you've done your research on investigational intent keywords and have ideas for your content, you now need to insert affiliate links in your articles. Inserting affiliate links depend on the kind of specific content you're writing. If you're writing a review of a single product, it wouldn't make sense to insert 5 affiliate links to products that are different from your content. But if you're writing content about 10 different articles, then inserting multiple affiliate links is a great idea to increase your sales. You have to insert links as strategically as possible. Number 3. How to insert affiliate links. There are ways to insert links in your content to help achieve more sales. The first step is to only put a link where it's appropriate. You don't need to add links to your content in hopes of sales if it doesn't relate to your content. Instead of achieving sales, you'll end up losing them in the future. Next, you need to add links as early as possible. If you're promoting more than one product, then know that the audience doesn't have time to read the entire article. So your link should appear at the top of the list to save your audience time. You can also get more out of your site space. To promote your products more efficiently, you can insert floating banners, inline banners, and sidebar widgets. A pro tip for links that you need to know is to invest in an affiliate plugin. You won't have the time to sort through hundreds of links that are expired or where they're placed on the website. To avoid that headache, an affiliate management plugin, Pretty Links, will help you out. Pretty Links is an affiliate marketing management plugin that helps you keep track of the links that you insert on your website. It also has a tool to cloak affiliate links so they appear shorter and can be shared on social media or through emails. It's an investment that you need to strive for in affiliate marketing. Number 2, customers and optimizing your existing traffic. There are a lot of ways to gain customers online. One way to do that is to create a pop-up campaign. It's very simple and effective to gain your customers' attention. The pop-ups need to be shown to the right people at the right time. Another way is to display campaigns when the audience is most likely to buy. If pop-up campaigns are targeted at the right audience, you can gain customers just like that. Optimizing your existing traffic for more revenue is a step that requires that 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule means you gain 80% profits from 20% of your content. After you find out a particular post is resonating with your audience, now is the time to create a targeted campaign. Instead of making campaigns blindly without knowing what's more popular, you can invest a little more to get help. You can either use the Google Analytics dashboard to find out what kind of articles bring in more traffic and then create a targeted campaign. Or, if you want to invest in some help, you can invest in Monster Insights. Monster Insights is a Google Analytics plugin and it's #1 in the entire world. A lot of marketers don't know how to use Google Analytics or get intimidated by its features. Instead of not collecting valuable data, you can have it delivered on your WordPress dashboard. Once you've looked through your website and found which posts are bringing in the most traffic, you can optimize your content and make different campaigns to generate more affiliate revenue. Due to this strategy, you'll be getting sales from your most profitable content if you keep prioritizing it and keeping an eye on your website. This way, you can also save a lot of time for yourself. Number 1. How to grow affiliate revenue from your email list. Of all the ways to earn an online income, nothing beats email marketing. Writing SEO content on Google is perfect until the algorithm changes and all your sales fall short. You can use paid ads if you have the budget for it, but even those require constant attention. The traffic that you get from your email list is always yours. Your email list is full of people that have shown an interest in your niche and have engaged with your content. So for your affiliate marketing campaigns, they'll make a great audience who's interested in your niche. To send traffic to your affiliate links, you can use conversation campaigns and also use them to grow your email list. To entice your audience, you can create targeted pop-ups, floating bars, and full-screen welcome mats. In exchange for these, you gain the email addresses of your audience. You can make a lead magnet to help you with that. Once you've created a huge email list, you can send your campaigns with affiliate links. Email marketing is a great help in affiliate marketing, whether you're using it to drive the audience to your post or sending them links directly. These are the ways for a beginner to start their journey as an affiliate marketer pretty easily. You can use all of these ways to help you get customers and generate sales. You can even make money while sleeping using these techniques for affiliate marketing. Well guys, this brings us to the end of our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and do be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any more of our upcoming videos going forward. Catch you guys later!